keto pasta sauce recipe or my take on keto carbonara pasta recipe. In a preheated pan for the diced pancetta, I use a little bit of butter just to make sure it doesn't stick at the beginning. When the pancetta is slightly golden brown, add the mushrooms. While the mushrooms are cooking, I usually grate the cheese. I use a block of cheese rather than the already grated one, as there is a little less chemicals and preservatives and the carb count usually is much lower. Add the spring onions when the mushrooms are slightly softer. The pasta I'm using takes about 5 minutes to boil, so start it at this point. If you are using any other pasta, please check the packaging and start boiling it accordingly. Next, separate the 2 egg yolks in the eggs, add them to 30 ml of double cream, stir it well, and then add the mixture to the vegetables. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes until thick consistency. I love grande padano cheese and I usually put about 100 grams of it in this mixture. If you don't like it as much, you can reduce the amount. I would put it now. Stir it well, and when it's all mixed together, you can add your pasta. Keep stirring for about 1 to 2 minutes until the pasta is coated well with the sauce, and you can serve. Let me know in comments if you like this recipe, and I will appreciate if you give me a thumbs up so the recipe can spread to a few more people. See you next time.